They call her bitch Cassidy, I'm the left hand skid. I got that platinum voice, she got that poison pen. They call us Gundam Rose, Gundam Rose, Gundam Rose, killer be going. It's the Romeo remix. Come on, let's get it.
Nope.
Come on.
Nope. Patty and Jerry, we will be legendary from the bottom like sodomy. Fuck the game up, missionary. I'm in my own trap as I flip the world a birdie. My verse is full of curses cause I'm stuck in dirty Jersey. Let's move to New York City.
Yep.
We'll make a couple millies, split that shit up 50-50.
Yep.
I give my left titty and a kidney just to cross the shitty river, Brooklyn Tunnel. Come on, Jerry, singing with me.
Beauty and the Beast, Thelma to Louise. You know real G's talk that talk, killer beat, won't you please?
Over that rainbow, we pay tolls where roads all are paved. Golden angels and gold chains, and nighttime is day glow. I'm Jane Doe, a loser. This shit's so confusing. I just want to move with my life like a movie. Should be getting busy, but I'm feeling Gary Busey. Drop that hot shit like I do in your jacuzzi. And you don't stop. I'm thicker than, and you don't stop. I'm gonna say it one more time just to make myself clear. Jeromeo, get me the fuck out of here.
That was so sick.
Oh shit, I gotta go to work. Come on, hurry, hurry.
Bow down. The Queen is in the building. Introducing Miss Patricia Dabrowski, aka Patty Cakes, aka Kendall P.
Gorgeous. You boss bitch.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I hope to still be working for you, sir.
Your pen game is ridiculous. You have notebooks full of songs, Pete. How badly do you want this?
You don't have a musical bone in your body, and you sure as hell can't sing. What kind of music are we talking about here?
Been rapping.
Rapping.
Rhyming, I'm saying, you know?
Yo, Dumbo! Get out the street.
Who's the kid with the glaucoma?
This is it.
It's the Ritz cracker, a go hot swagger, it's Viagra. I roll stone through Jersey like Jagger in a Jaguar. Peace for the posse, the beer for the bells. And Jay got the letters at the state while we dwell. Straight out the gates of hell, all day, every day. You'll never tell the world our mother, but now it's
What's your rap singing name? What, you like Zooey Dooey Dumb Drops?
I'm actually going as Killer Pete.
You have more talent and imagination than the rest of this whole town combined.
This is the biggest opportunity of your life.
Keep your head up, killer. It's a cold world out there. You got this. You're a boss bitch.